Hi friends, welcome to online class of advertisement and media management. Today we are going to see the topic of ethical issues in advertisement. So myself is Manjunath B, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies. Friends, when we are going to study the market, we need to know when we are advertising our products, we need to follow some ethical practices, ethical issues. We need to follow some ethical guidelines. So when we are going to be advertising, so what do you mean by ethics then? Ethics is nothing but a set of moral principles or norms which guides us what is right and what is wrong and what is good and what is bad. So regarding the decisions. So there is no doubt that advertisement attract a large number of customers. So, but while attracting a large number of customers, it is a controversial that they are going to use some of the unethical practices in influencing the customers to buy your product. So generally, these controversies are concerned about the impact of advertisement on economy, society, and ethics. So let me see the ASCI guidelines, Advertisement Standard Council of India. What are the different advertisement ethical guidelines has to be followed by all the manufacturing sectors? Why it is required? Why it has been? What is the guidelines it has been given to the companies? We'll see now. So first guidelines is to ensure the truthfulness and honesty of representations and claim made by the advertisement and safeguard against the misleading of advertisement. First and foremost, after the thing why this ethical standard has to be maintained by the manufacturers in order to safeguard the representatives by maintaining the honesty in their advertisement, by protecting their interests and property without misleading the customers. Second one is so why this guidelines has been made to ensure that advertisement are not offensive to general acceptance standards for the public decency. That means you should not treat the product or advertisement whatever you are going to use as a promotional tool for promoting your product. It should not be offensive. So it should be follow some set of norms which are followed by the guidelines. Next is to safeguard against the convict use of advertisement promotions and product which are regarded as hazardous to the society. So we should produce a product or we need to promote a product. So that should not be hazardous to the society. If it is hazardous to the society, it is not an ethical practice or ethical things which you are following. So when you are going to be advertising a product, the product should not be hazardous to the society. That also has to be followed. Next is to ensure the advertisement observe the fairness in the competition so that the consumption needs to be informed on choice in the marketplace. So whatever purpose of advertisement is to attract the customer, but that attractiveness or observing the customers towards our product, it should be healthy competition. There should not be cutthroat competition. So it should be healthy competition. We should give a chance for the customer to choose the product instead of influencing instead of forcing the customers to buy your product. That is also one standard you need to follow. So, moving to the ethical issues in advertisement. Advertisement is highly visible business activities, and any lapses in the other ethical standards can be risky for economy for a company. So ultimately, customer will see the product only through advertisement. So it is a visible business activity. So whatever we are going to show, it has to be ethically. We have to show without in case of using any unethical things in influencing the customers. So it's going to be affecting on standard of or risky of the companies. Some of the common example for ethical issues in advertising are given below. That means showing a vulgarity in the advertisement, or showing obscenity in the case of advertisement, or used to consumer gain the consumer attention. That we are going to see it in upcoming slides. Or misleading the other information and decepting the information. That means giving some information and showing when customers are actually buying, they will be getting some other product. That is also one kind of an ethical issue. So might be they are going to use in pushing the product, or controversial products like showing the advertisement of alcohol products in some other product like a gambling or tobacco products showing in advertisement. So these are some of the unethical practices which you can see, you can able to find it in advertisement. So you can see the stereotype. This is also one kind of unethical advertisement. This side, what do you mean by stereotype is nothing but stereotype is a mistaken idea or a belief many people have about the things and the group that will be based on how they look on the outside. So instead of in case of how their product is going to be looks outside, so that we are going to be showing more importantly. That means purified, you can see in advertisement. Purified skin forever, best ever for human protection. So but ultimately, it's not having such kind of benefit. Next, showing an exaggeration of advertisement. That means using a false claim in advertisement about the product. So you can see example like a Tide. White ho to Tide ho. So white ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು Tide ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ತೋರಿಸೋದು one of the wrong advertisement. Or else might be you can Gari detergent. पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें. So that is also a kind of very exaggeration in the company they are going to use. Or might be Vodafone stars, whatever wherever you go, our network will follow. So actually, it is not like that. So might be such kind of showing some false claims to attract the customers towards your product. That is also one thing. So you can see Epident, right? If you are able to consume Epident, so that your teeth will become very brighter. But it is not exactly. So that is also one of the unethical things. Next, moving to misuse of testimonials. So you can see Fair and Lovely. So within a 1 week of span of time, you will become like a dark to bright. Is it possible? So it's not possible. So such kind of testimonials is a statement given by the popular personality claiming the superiority of the brand. Means so this by saying that superior celebrities, this is the product design the best in the market, like that showing means that is also unethical. Ad of soap or cosmetics products also such kind of misusing their celebrity by showing that it is the best one or out of that and that. So that is not an ethical practice which we need to be following. Next is misrepresentation. That means competing brand with the similar names. So you can see the Laddu will become Lotto. So name here the name and some of the sellers may claim that the product of is export quality to fool their innocent consumers. So you can see in the example like Nike will become Hike. So it looks like exactly the font or might be design, but it is not like the original product. It is the copied product. So such kind of Kit Kat will become Kit Kat. So Colgate will become Colgate. So such kind of things might be one of the unethical practices might be producers will do that. Next is free gifts and discounts and contests. It is also one kind of unethical issues nowadays. Most of the producers are going to use in order to attract more number of customers towards the product. Advertising mostly pulls the innocent customers to by giving free gifts or discounts and sales. That is buy one get one free, flat 50% off, weekly lucky draw contest. Such kind of things might be effects on other competitors. It's going to be unethically or going to be attracting the customer by of the innocent persons. Next is totalized. So that means it includes advertisement of energy drinks, which tells about the number of vitamins and how they will help to the children to grow strong and tall. And it includes advertisement related to the marketing and making of the person slim through drinking of bread. But it is not like that. We can't able to claim such kind of benefits. So we can't able to verify the false claims. Such kind of you can see Badam and traditional Complan Bonvita, which Bonvita we give solids with energy, slim sonas, things that will help you out for you to reduce your fat or glucose tiger biscuit, whether it gives glucose to your body or not, we can't able to verify. So such kind of totalize showing such kind of false information also one of the unethical practices. Next is unhealthy brand comparison. Showing the competitor's brand. How is the competitor's brand with your brand? So by comparing the competitors, so you can see Colgate comparing the website, Darlix is comparing with the Complan, Pepsi or Coca-Cola is comparing with each other. So nowadays advertisers are engaged is unhealthy brand comparison with the help of advertising. Such comparison creating problems and confusions of right customer, right product, so for the audience to be concerned. So if you compare these, so if you are giving information regarding what you are offering other than the competitors, so it's going to be create a confusion among the audience. Next is surrogate advertising. That means surrogate advertising but prominently sees in cases where the advertisement of a particular product is banned by the law. So that means advertising a product which are banned by the law, such kind of advertising what we can call as a surrogate, advocate, and the surrogate. Advertisement of a product like cigarettes or alcohol which are injurious to health. These companies have come up with several other products like might have some brand names that means indirectly remind the people of cigarettes, beer bottles, and some of the common examples like including posters, Kingfisher brand, which are often seen in a time. Then Kingfisher soda or maybe Kingfisher water bottle. Such kind of brands you are going to be if you're showing, and it's going to be indirectly you're going to be conveying the product which are banned one like alcohol. So next is children's in advertisement. So using the children's in advertisement also one of the unethical things. So children are easily persuaded and have a large pool of today's market as it is known by the advertisement. Even one who not intended for their product to be consumed by the children. So you can see in advertisement like images. So children are used for promoting cigarettes, or children are used for such kind of Sony or McDonald or might be some other products like Windows or all those things. So such kind of children also we are using our search function you can able to see in the right side. So that is also some kind of unethical advertisement. Next is puffery. Puffery is a statement claiming that the promotion in nature usually or subjective do not be taken very serious. Example for this includes claiming of one product is the best one over the world. So that is claiming we are the number one, we are the first, we are the number one, or we are the best, the claim one of the so kind of unethical practices only. So you can see in the friendliest drink in the earth. So Coca-Cola is claiming it is the friendliest drink on the earth. So it is not exactly. But in case of Gillette, you can see other side Gillette, the best man can get it. So but what will be the result? So that kind of advertisement we can able to call as ethical advertisement. So unverified claims. So that means it includes advertising of energy drinks which tells about the number of vitamins, how they will help to for the children to grow. Actually, the things what you can able to consume it. So obviously it won't give that much benefit what we are expecting. There's no verification for that false claim. So always malt or tiger. You can see right side. So less wrinkles only in a minute. So it's very difficult to remove the wrinkles in 1 minute. But showing in a advertisement like we are able to remove the wrinkles in a 1 minute. So but it is not possible. Such kind of false claim also one of the unverified claims. We can't able to verify the results very exactly. So truth in the advertisement. So you can able to see the Burger King Whopper. So they are not showing advertisement in a colorful way when you're going to for a bus shop to buy it or when you're consuming it. So you can able to see this kind of quality product you can do actual burger. Most attractive angels with the cheese slightly fluffed fluff water. But it is not when you are able to directly consume it. So moving to next one is ethical issues in advertisement, showing like we see these things in upcoming slides. That is showing a dangerous trends which ordinary persons aren't able to do it. So that is also one of the unethical advertisement. So you can see Mountain Dew or KTM bikes, how they are advertising their product. Automatically influence young generations to go for it, to do such kind of activities. So like using an inappropriate stereotype. So it's is it possible to do such kind of activity that means can lady can able to live such kind of persons in a pricing? Not exactly. So in such kind of inappropriate stereotype also one of the things. That means so subliminal advertisement. That means purposefully trying to insert a hidden message can leads to controversy. So you can see the Coca-Cola, but in Coca-Cola they are showing some other products, some other things. So such kind of hidden things which are going to be showing, and that is also one case of unethical practice. Next is manipulating the advertisement. That is kind of social influence that aims to change the perception of the behavior through other unhanded, deceptive or abusive tactics. That means, so you can see Visero is filtered smoke. So as a your doctor, I would like to recommend your Viceroys. So that means if you're consuming this cigarette, it won't give any wrong effect to the people or advantage. So that is also such kind of complaints you can able to see. That is also unethical. So, or else sometimes using a glorifies glamorous looks, that is using celebrities or using some of the models or in promoting the product. Actually, it is not giving such kind of benefit. That is also one of the unethical issues. So next is using improper language. So you can see it in case of 20% of the word we can't able to exactly say what is this. So your first next purchase. So this kind of appropriate, inappropriate or language if you are using. So people can't able to understand clearly when they are going to buy it. So this is the summary what we want to be that. So this is a reference which I followed. You can able to follow these things and you can get back more information regarding the topic. Thank you.